Hello friends, welcome back to YouTube channel Legends of Educational Knowledge. I am Mahesh Notyal. Today we will discuss the future continuous tense. So let's start. Identification of this tense. The sentences of this tense are end up with रहा होगा, रहे होंगे, रही होगी, रहा होगा, etc. Helping verb. We use shall be for I and we subject and will be for another subjects. Main verb. We use first form of the verb plus ing in this tense. Now rules for formation of the sentences. In simple sentences, subject plus shall be or will be plus main verb plus object. In negative sentences, first we use subject, then shall not be or will not be, then main verb, then object. In interrogative sentences, first we use shall or will, then subject, then be, then main verb and object, question mark. In double interrogative sentences, first we use interrogative words, then shall or will, then subject, then be, then main verb and object, question mark. Some examples of this tense. First example. सूर्य पूरब में निकल रहा होगा. Simple sentence. The sun will be rising in the east. Negative. The sun will not be rising in the east. Interrogative. Will the sun be rising in the east? Question mark. Double interrogative sentence. When will the sun be rising in the east? Question mark. Second example. मछलियां नदी में तैर रही होंगी. Simple. The fishes will be swimming in the river. Negative. The fishes will not be swimming in the river. Interrogative. Will the fishes be swimming in the river? Question mark. Double interrogative sentences. Why will the fishes be swimming in the river? Question mark. Third example. माली फूल तोड़ रहा होगा. Simple. The gardener will be plucking the flowers. Negative. The gardener will not be plucking the flowers? Interrogative. Will the gardener be plucking the flowers? Question mark. Double interrogative. Where will the gardener be plucking the flowers? Question mark. Fourth example. शेर जंगल में दहाड़ रहा होगा. Simple. The lion will be roaring in the forest. Negative. The lion will not be roaring in the forest. Interrogative. Will the lion be roaring in the forest? Question mark. Double interrogative. Why will the lion be roaring in the forest? Question mark. Fifth example. हम कल पार्क में टहल रहे होंगे. Simple. We shall be walking in the park tomorrow. Negative. We shall not be walking in the park tomorrow. Interrogative. Shall we be walking in the park tomorrow? Question mark. Double interrogative. How shall we be walking in the park tomorrow? Question mark. Sixth example. कल मैं अपने गांव जा रहा हूँगा. Simple. I shall be going to my village tomorrow. Negative. I shall not be going to my village tomorrow. Interrogative. Shall I be going to my village tomorrow? Question mark. Double interrogative. By which shall I going to my village tomorrow? Question mark. तो बस आज के लिए इतना ही. We will meet in the next video soon. Stay healthy, wealthy and wise. If you want more details, contact us on mobile number 9927206065 or 9927310911 of Permutation Coaching Institute. Thanks for watching.